Nintendo has long been a giant in the gaming industry, but by 2015, the company was beginning to face challenges. Big missteps with the Wii U led to questions about Nintendo's place in a market recently dominated by Sony and Microsoft. Nintendo's future looked uncertain, but in 2017, everything changed. Nintendo had went back to work, combining the genius of their handhelds with the home console market. Enter the Nintendo Switch, an innovative new hybrid console that not only saved Nintendo, but has reshaped the gaming landscape entirely. To understand the impact of the Switch, we need to first look at what went wrong for Nintendo. After the runaway success of the Wii, which sold over 100 million units, the Wii U was expected to be a worthy successor, but it wasn't. Released in 2012, the Wii U confused consumers with its bulky gamepad controller and lack of third-party developer support. People were unsure of whether it was even an actual console or an add-on itself. And don't even get me started on the marketing. Your entire consumer base is not just children. It led to everyday gamers really not taking the Wii U seriously, and in total, by the time it was discontinued, it only sold 13 million units, making it one of Nintendo's worst performing consoles ever. Meanwhile, the 3DS had helped keep the company afloat, proving that Nintendo's handheld gaming market was still strong. But even here, Nintendo was under pressure from the rise of mobile gaming. Smartphones were becoming the go-to mobile gaming devices for many people. By 2014, Nintendo was losing money, and many questioned whether the company could compete with Sony and Microsoft anymore. This dire situation forced Nintendo to go back to the drawing board. This was widely seen as the last chance within the company to stay in the gaming hardware industry. They needed a new direction, one that would combine their strengths in handheld gaming and reestablish success within the home console market. The idea for the Switch really was a question. How could Nintendo's success with the handhelds be merged with the console experience? Everybody loved the portability of the DS and 3DS, and those consoles sold extremely well, but they also craved the immersive experiences of home consoles like the Wii. And more often than not, if they did have to choose between a home console option at the time, they were not choosing the Wii U. The team at Nintendo envisioned a device that could seamlessly transition from handheld to console. They had hoped it would deliver the best of both worlds. And after many years of development, the Nintendo Switch was unveiled in October 2016. And when it launched in March 2017, it was clear that Nintendo had struck gold. So what was it that made the Switch so special? First, its hybrid nature appealed largely to the casual gaming market. Nintendo's IPs like Mario, Pokemon, Splatoon, and Zelda were incredibly strong and really helped appeal to the majority of everyday people. In a time where gaming had gone stagnant and remains so today, the Switch has been a breath of fresh air in what is a largely generic gaming industry. The ability to play high-quality games on the go or on a TV was incredibly appealing to customers. Its innovative hardware like the detachable Joy-Con controllers allowed for unique multiplayer experiences right out of the box. This made the Switch very popular among families and friends who didn't have controllers. It became the go-to hit for social gaming. The Switch has really grown an incredible library of games. Specifically, titles like The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild and Super Mario Odyssey were not only critically acclaimed, but also sold millions of units. Combined with much higher third-party support than the Wii U, the Switch quickly built an ecosystem of games that appealed to everyone. By the end of 2017, the Switch had already sold over 14 million units, surpassing the Wii U's entire lifetime of sales in 1 year. And as of December 2024, it has sold over 146 million units, making it the third best-selling console of all time, and on pace to overtake the PlayStation 2 for first place sometime in 2025. The success of the Switch didn't just save Nintendo, it influenced the entire gaming industry. The hybrid design inspired companies to think about portability in new ways. Cloud gaming services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and the Steam Deck owe their popularity to the path that Nintendo forged. But what's next for Nintendo? It looks like a Nintendo Switch 2 is on the horizon. Nintendo is definitely going to build on the foundation they've laid with the Switch, and it's pretty clear that Nintendo has found its identity again, which really was lurking all along, in the form of their handhelds. Even from the beginning with the NES to the Switch, Nintendo has shown time and time again that it can adapt and thrive. And as the company looks to the future, one thing is certain: when Nintendo does get into trouble, they do not hesitate to take any risks in the fight to stay relevant. The Switch didn't just save Nintendo. It single-handedly started the hybrid gaming market. By merging handhelds, home consoles, and legendary first-party games, the Switch has secured Nintendo's legacy for years to come. And as we await their next move, we can only imagine how they'll continue to shape the future of gaming. Check out this video on why I love the Nintendo DS in 2024. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thanks for watching.